You know how to design, right? Maybe you've used CorelDRAW or Photoshop before, or you're just naturally creative and enjoy making beautiful things. What if that passion could start paying you every single day? In this video, I'll show you how to create simple digital templates using Canva and how to sell them online for passive income. Even if you've never sold anything online before, you'll be able to follow these steps. Here is what you need to get started: a free Canva account, a basic eye for design, and a platform to sell your work. Platforms like Gumroad, or Payhip. That's it. Let me show you a quick look. These are sample templates created in Canva, like Instagram posts and business flyers. After designing, all you need to do is click share and select template link. That's the link you sell. Your customer clicks it and Canva makes a copy that they can edit. Super simple. When you are done designing, you can also download your templates as a PDF or PNG file. Make sure you choose a high quality format, especially if you want to give your customer both editable and printable options. Now let's talk platforms. Gumroad is fast to set up and easy to manage. Payhip supports direct payout to Nigerians, so there's no limit. And ST is great for reaching buyers around the world. Start small. For example, sell a bundle of 10 editable templates for $5 to $10. Make sure to include previews, clear instructions, and searchable keywords in your product's title. It helps your design get discovered and builds trust with buyers. Promote your shop link on platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and the likes. Create short videos showing how your template works, share testimonials if you have them, and post consistently. Even a few buyers per week can turn into steady income over time. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a smart hustle. Design once and earn many times. So if you have the skill or you're just interested in design, start today. Your first sale could just be a template away. Did you find this helpful? Don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment below, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss on videos like this.